Am I live? Okay, so I got the notification that I'm live. That means I'm live. I just need to verify on YouTube as well. So let's do that quickly. And how do I know if I'm live? Yes, it seems I'm live, and I can see 4 people are watching this. That's great. And we got Gaurav says, hey, okay. Hi, Gaurav. Uh, so it says I'm live. I hope I'm properly audible there because I'm using a normal mic today. I'm not using this. Yes, it's good. It sounds good. Okay, great then. So let's get started. So this is just a small live session. I want to talk about my visit to Pune. So this Monday, I'm going to Pune for a visit. Okay, it will be more like a meetup. So let's see who all are there in Pune. Just want to have a live chat, not like this, but maybe a physical live chat where I can talk to you in person. So let's see how many people will be there. Now, the only thing is, I'm not that familiar with Pune. I went for some training, but then have not, been to Pune a lot. So I will need your help there just to, just to get the place. The place is not decided yet. I'm just trying to, get the proper place in Pune. So I got some suggestions from on Facebook from some of the people. Some people are saying Magarkatta. I forgot the name. Is it Magarkatta? Then Hinjewadi. Then we have one more place, Baner, something like that. So I'm still not confirmed yet because on Sunday I'm going to Ahmednagar. From Ahmednagar, I'm coming back to Mumbai. I'm coming back to Pune on Monday. That's the thing. Because I have a friend's marriage in Ahmednagar on Sunday, so I'm going there, and then I'm going to Pune for a meetup. So that's my planning is. So that's why on Monday. Okay, so I cannot. I wanted to make it on weekend like Saturday or Sunday. The problem is tomorrow Saturday I'm going to college for a seminar. Then after that I have some other project work to complete, and then Sunday I'm going for a friend's marriage. So of course it's not possible for 2 days. But then yes, Monday maybe evening time. Uh, so that Monday evening time would be a good thing, right? So that's what I'm thinking about. Because yeah, afternoon time will be difficult. So okay, sure. So yes, so Pune is a meetup. So we'll be having a meetup there. So it will be, of course, a meetup where multiple people will be coming. So again, so in the community tab. So I hope you are familiar with the community tab on this channel. So go to community tab, and there I'll be posting different locations in Pune and the timing, so you can take it. Which one you want. So if you want Pune, let me know Pune. If you want Magarkatta, let me know. Shivajinagar, let me know. So I will give multiple options, and you have to choose. Okay, so yes, multiple meetups are on the way. Meetups in Bihar, Bihar will be difficult. Maybe Delhi, because I go for training, right? So based on that, have you missed anything? Okay, so yeah, so meetup in Delhi will be there. Bangalore, Chennai, not planned it, but then Bangalore, Delhi, and Pune. That's what I'm playing now. Chennai, maybe I will try. So no Patna because I don't take training in Patna. So let's see if I have some, because I want to complete multiple tasks on the same day if I'm coming there. So let's see. Jaipur, again, the same problem. We don't have trainings there. So if I get a training in Jaipur, of course, I would love to. Okay, so again, I will do that. And then one of the questions which sounded a bit odd here. Okay, so question from Gaurav and says, I found enterprise development boring and not that what I actually thought. Okay, the thing is, if you find enterprise development boring, that means you have not seen the real enterprise project. Yeah, working on the client side example, working on Android application, working on iOS application, yes, it makes much more interesting because you can see a UI, right? But it's all depend upon you. If you want to be very logical, if you want to build the enterprise project where you have so many components to work with, trust me, the moment I start working on enterprise project, I feel very happy because maybe I'm working on some tools which are interesting. So maybe you have not seen the interesting stuff yet. Try to work on AWS. Try to connect with different servers there. Try to load balance. Try to there's so many magic available in enterprise world. So you can do load balancing there. You can create microservices. Those are very interesting things you can look at that. But yes, it's a long learning curve. People who love Android, I would say Android has a big learning curve. But then by learning Android a bit, you can make an application, right? And day by day you will learn. But in the enterprise market, you need to learn a good amount of things to actually work on enterprise projects. So maybe that's what you find it boring. Not sure. So yeah, so wanted to update here about Pune Meetup. So it will be done on Monday, 29 Jan. The timing is not fixed yet, and location is not fixed. I'm still trying to figure it out. What should be the location and what should be the timing? I feel evening time will be better. The 6 p.m., 6 p.m. would be a good option, right? Because everyone can meet then. But the place, I'm still trying to figure out a good garden somewhere. So that's about this live session. I just wanted to talk about those things. So let me know. So just go to community tab. I will be posting a question in some time and then give your text. So let's see how thing goes. I hope you're excited for Pune Meetup. I don't know how many are excited here, but I'm very excited for Pune Meetup because see, last time I did a Mumbai Meetup, it was on Monday. I know Monday is not a good time. I mean, Monday is not a good day to take a meetup because everyone is busy. And the same thing happened in Mumbai. Some people showed up, and then it was a quite a time. In Mumbai meetup, which happened in Vashi, it was awesome. Again, not many people showed up, but because of it was Monday, it was afternoon time, and everyone was busy. And then I've announced only one day prior, so that's my bad. But then some people showed up, and then we have a great chat. So I got some good tips from them, some good suggestions about the channel, and some feedback. And they had some questions which I tried to answer, and it was an interesting session. I enjoyed. Let's see how well be that in Pune. Okay, so let's take up some questions. When is the Hyderabad meetup? Oh, I forgot about Hyderabad. Of course, I will be visiting Hyderabad as well. It's my hometown, so I should be, right? Okay, so please come to Bangalore, sir. Sure, Devi, I'm planning to, Devidas, I'm planning to come to Bangalore as well. Okay, Sai Aditya says, how to be an entrepreneur? That's a very interesting question, how to be an entrepreneur. I will surely make a video on that. I have this point, there's a difference between being a freelancer and then being an entrepreneur. Because there are so many people, they feel that freelancing is same as entrepreneurship. That's not the case. Freelancing is when you work individual, where you have everything yours. Yeah, entrepreneurship, it's more towards working in an environment where you are giving some solution to the people, and they can come back to you to, I mean, you will solve their problem, and you have a team with you, because it's not just about one person. It's running a business. There are so many things you have to take care of when you are an entrepreneur. So I will talk about it in detail later. I'm not saying one person cannot be an entrepreneur, but then it's a different story. Okay, we'll do it one day. Okay. So Shubham says, have you decided any place? Not yet. Not yet. We'll do that on maybe by tomorrow. So I will finalize the place tomorrow and timing as well. Gaurav says, I just learned and practicing for becoming web developer in my free time. I'm learning Java EE. Java EE is awesome. You will love it. Okay. Can you do a meetup in Bangalore? Surely. I'm planning to do that. Oh, where in Pune? That's what I'm still trying to figure out where in Pune, because I'll be visiting. I'll be visiting Pune on Monday. So entire day I'm available in Pune. But let's see. In fact, my family will be with me in Pune. So in the afternoon time we'll be saying Pune. We'll be touring different places, and then in the evening time we'll have a meetup so that everyone will be out of the office so that they can meet me. Can I come to meet you? Yes, that's right, Ganesh. That's what we are doing, right? So of course you can come to meet me. It is. Is it all Pune people to came where? But Abhishek, Satya says Magarpatta. Okay, okay, I'll do that. Kerala. Okay, I've never visited Kerala yet, but surely I will do that. When Jaipur, we have talked about it. Shivaji Nagar. Okay, Shivaji Nagar in Pune. Okay, we'll see that. So options are Hinjewadi, Shivaji Nagar, and Magarpatta. Let's see. Okay, so I will keep these three places there. Patna. Okay, we have talked about it. What about Dehradun? The only thing is, if I come to Dehradun, I'll be coming only for the some other work, not for training. So I need to take out some extra time. The thing is, nowadays I don't know what's happening. I'm damn busy with other stuff. I'm trying to be free as much as possible. I'm trying to take out time for myself for the channel. It's not happening, and you can see that I'm trying to upload as many videos as possible. Maybe minimum two videos per day. My target was minimum 3 videos per day, but then I'm trying my best to upload at least 2 videos. And it takes time, editing videos does take time, uploading it, setting the thumbnail. There's so many things around one video, and so it takes time. So I'm trying to do things as fast as possible. So maybe somewhere around June or May, I'll be available to visit all different cities other than trainings. Uh, okay, so in Pune, Hinjewadi will be the most convenient location. Okay, that's a good option. Let's see. Okay, what is your thoughts about Vaadin? Okay, Vaadin is a good UI framework. I have heard about Vaadin a lot from different people. I've never tried it by myself, but the company which I visited for training, they use Vaadin for UI development. So I think it's a good framework because big companies, I'm not talking about small companies, when I go for training at big companies, they use Vaadin. So of course, it should be a good option. I've never tried it, but so hey, Shivaji Nagar is it's a central place, is it? Oh, okay, that would be a good option. Yeah, let's see. Uh, okay, so last 3 minutes because I have some other work to do. I have a session now at 9:30, so I have to be prepared for that as well. Relax channel says Sturts versus Spring. Of course, Spring. We are living in 2018, and Spring is one of the best framework available. And in Spring as well, I would say go for Spring Boot. It's awesome. I'm not saying Sturts is bad. Okay, Sturts is also good, but then Sturts works well when you are making web application. What if you want to have some other services? Then we can have one option. We can merge Sturts and Spring together. Instead of that, you can use Spring entire framework, right? So instead of using Sturts, that would be a best option. Okay. Okay, so Satyam says, what should be one take strategy to learn Java very well? I would say practice, not just Java, all the languages. Doesn't matter whatever you learn, whatever technology you learn, it's practice. The more you practice, the more you will remember. So there's a quote which I normally prefer, which is, the more classes you write, your class will increase. So your class will increase. Uh, so if you want to be a good programmer, if you want to be a good developer, practice more. It's all about practicing. That's one thing. Second, if you follow my old videos as well on Code Java, just watch the entire series and do practice. I'm sure it will give you a good knowledge on Java. So I don't say my courses are best. They are, but then saying my courses are best will be, what do you say? I don't want to think it's a good thing about my channel. So they're good. You can try it out. Devida says, can I go for Python for ethical hacking or network security? I think I don't work. I'm not into security much, so no idea. Uh, okay, so sir, is it a good? Is Java Spring framework is a good used for machine learning? I don't think so. Spring is not used for machine learning, but then we have some libraries in Java which works with machine learning. But Spring, no, we don't use Spring to do that. According to what I know about Spring framework. Okay, how to crack GD? I'm not good with communication skills. Good communication skills. Then improve it. You don't have a choice. If you want to crack interviews using in GD, you have to improve your communication skills. I'm not okay. There's one more thing which I'm saying from a long time. Communication is not about English. Some people say if you are good with your English, that means you're a good person. I mean, do some people do judge? I don't know. It happens only in some countries like. Where if you are good in English, that means you are intelligent. That's not the case. You cannot judge someone's intelligence just by looking at their English. I would say, so communication comes, so there are so many things in communication, what you say, how you say it, and the way you put your words. Yeah, that's important. So practice, I would say, looking at the mirror. In fact, I do have a video on how to, or what are the 5 skills. I've talked about some communication thing there. You can watch that video. Sublime or Atom or VS Code. I don't use Atom. I don't use VS Code because I work on server side, and for server side, I do use some IDEs like Eclipse, IntelliJ, NetBeans. So those are my IDEs. I'm not a designer to use these tools. I'm not saying only designers use this tool, but then I'm much more comfortable with Eclipse. But I do use Sublime if I want to see a code like HTML page. That works for me. I'm not a good designer to actually experiment with these tools. I don't even write scripts, so okay. So Umar Adami says distributed computing. Yes, I want to make a video on distributed computing because 3 to 4 years back I have taught the entire subject to one college. So I know quite a bit in distributed computing. It's been 4 years, so I lost some of the concept, but I do have a book. I will revise it, and I will make a video on that, but not soon. It will take some time. Okay, last 1 minute, then I'll be leaving because I have some other work as well. Oh, by the way, happy Republic Day, everyone. Okay, when is the Hyderabad meetup? Okay, so I mentioned about that soon. I have not fixed the date yet, but soon. Can I use Java for big data? Of course you can. Can I go for Kotlin after Go Java? Of course you can. All these questions are actually answers. The more classes you write, the more your class will increase as a programmer. Oh, okay. So you're talking about my code. Okay, thanks. Uh, Thanks. So that's it, everyone. Signing off. See you next time. So again, the one more thing, Sunday. I'm not sure if I will be able to go live because Sunday I'll be in Ahmednagar. I don't know about the network because the hotel I'm staying, I don't know. They provide free Wi-Fi service, but then I don't know how stable it would be. And I'm carrying my phone as well. If mobile networks is help, I mean, it will be good network, then of course I'll be going live. Otherwise, we'll see you in next week. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, Om Prakash says, which college you are visiting tomorrow? You're talking about tomorrow? Tomorrow I'm going to SPIT, which is Sardar Patel, for a seminar in Mumbai. Uh, okay. So that's it, everyone. Bye-bye. See you in the next session. Hotel Wi-Fi sucks. That's right. It's been my experience as well. Bye-bye.